Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a wireless charging pad, but not just any wireless pad. This one actually has 5 coils and is able to charge 2 devices at the same time. Made by the company CHOETECH. Link in the description down below. They do have an Amazon store as well as their own website, and you could go ahead and check out their items right there. They have a lot of products. But anywho, let's go ahead and pop this baby open and see what's inside. Now, if you remember the old, well, not old, but the other ones, wireless charging pads, they take a long time to charge. That's because they're only charging at 5 watts. But anyways, this one has a wooden design, not that rubbery. On the bottom we have a couple of vents and wattage input information to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coils, like I said. So you could pretty much place your phone anywhere around this area on the pad, and you don't have to worry about if it's charging or not. With the old ones, yes, you do have to worry about it. They only have 1 coil in the center or 2 coils, and you gotta make sure that it's centered properly. Now, it does charge with a case on it, but if you have a metal ring or a metal plate behind it as a phone holder, it will not charge, just the same as any other wireless pad. Now, the only thing with this one is that it will not charge an Apple Watch, nor will any other wireless charging device. This one will, but you have to use the original Apple Watch charger hooked up to it. Same thing. But yeah, this one feels pretty good. 5 coils, not having to worry about where you place your phone, making sure that it's centered. That's a big plus, because that thing was getting annoying. I loved it at first when they came out, but it was annoying having to make sure that it was centered to know when it was charging. Anywho, this one uses a USB Type-C connection for it, and the white one uses a mini USB connection. Better the USB now, because it could do a lot more things and provide more power to that thing. I believe, from what I heard. Unlike the Apple AirPower, if you like all you guys know already, it's been canceled. No go on that plan anymore. Anyways, we are gonna go ahead and try these things out, and I'll show you how quick. Well, I'll let you know how quick it charged in 20 minutes compared to the other one. Now, the Galaxy phone 9 and above or below, the 7 I believe, or the S9 or the Edge will charge at 10 watts wirelessly. Usually it's 5 watts. This one, if you're using this pad, it will charge at 10 watts. The iPhone will charge, the iPhone X and above will charge at 7.5 watts. It's still pretty fast. I did do the comparison. It went from 50% battery to 80% battery within 30 minutes, which is pretty good. So that's already a plus, because with the old chargers, you will put it in there, place it on top of the pad, charging at 5 watts. It wasn't doing nothing. Well, it was, but slowly. But anyways, like I said, you could place it anywhere in the pad here and it will still charge. Pretty good, right? It does have a little green light indicator that will show you when it's actually charging. But to take full advantage of it, you do need a USB plug with 18 watts, 3.0, USB 3.0, and you will take full advantage of it. You need to pick that up. They do have that in their website. But anyways, if you own one, let us know what you think about it. But thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.